In a saucepan, heat the heavy cream with finely grated Tonka bean to 80 degrees Celsius or 176 degrees Fahrenheit. Place white chocolate in a tall glass. Add the hot cream. Set aside for a minute. Then emulsify with an immersion blender. Gradually add cold, heavy cream. Blend until smooth. Add pistachio paste and blend for 1 more minute. Cover tightly with a cling film and refrigerate for at least 12 hours. In a stand mixer bowl with a paddle attachment, combine sifted flour, icing sugar, pistachio flour, and salt. Mix for 1 to 2 minutes. Add really cold butter, cut into small cubes. Then on a medium speed crumble until sand-like consistency. Add eggs and pistachio paste and mix just until the dough comes together. Place the dough between 2 plastic sheets and roll it out into 2 millimeters or 0.09-inch thickness. Place the rolled dough into the fridge for at least 3 hours. Or freeze and then defrost before using. Cut out circles for the bottom of tart shells and long strips for the sides. Place the strips into the rings 1 by 1 and press onto the sides. Then place the dough circles into the rings and press to connect to the sides. If at any point the dough gets too warm to work with, pop it into the freezer for 5 minutes. Refrigerate for at least 1 hour. Then trim the top with a sharp knife. Bake about 20 minutes in preheated oven in perforated tart rings, placed on silicone air mat for better heat circulation. Use perforated pans or place the mat directly on oven rack. Otherwise, make holes in shell bottoms with a fork. In a saucepan, combine berries with puree and finely grated Tonka bean and warm to 35 degrees Celsius or 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix the sugar thoroughly with the pectin, then gradually add to berries and bring to a boil. Immediately add citric acid, stir well. Then let confit cool before filling the tarts. In a stand mixer bowl, combine sifted flour, sugar, pistachio flour, almond flour, and cold butter cubes. On a medium speed, mix until the dough comes together. Divide the dough into small chunks and place on a perforated silicone mat. Freeze or refrigerate for 30 minutes, then bake 15 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Right after baking, combine in a mixer bowl with white chocolate and pistachio paste. Mix until paste consistency. Spread evenly in thin layer inside each tart shell. Fill each tart with the confit and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Whip cold pistachio ganache on a medium-low speed until soft peaks. Be careful not to over-whip. The perfect ganache has to be stable but still smooth and lump-free. Pipe any preferable shape using piping bag with a nozzle. Decorate with fresh berries and pistachios and enjoy!